The main purpose of this podcast, we can say that a small podcast, is to developing the listening skills and as well as the speaking ability, the speaking skills.
If I were Ketu, I will just say Vishal Mato and Ram Haldar that I will not cut the tree because it's illegal.
Oh my God, yeah.
Because they are forcing them to cut the tree for their personal.
If I was K2, then I'd do the same work that K2 do, and what a person can do in such a predicament. He need money badly, and he was poor. He was threatened and also forced by Ram Haldar and Vishal Mato. So what a person can do in such a critical situation.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. We have gathered here to learn something new, right? And for your kind information, I taught you the most important story, most interesting story. And the title of the story is Arjun. You know? The story of the title. What is the title of the story? Arjun, right? So first I'm going to give the overview of this story, right? And then I would like to ask some questions regarding the story. Here we have 6 guests and they will answer of my questions. But before questioning, I would like to give overview of the story, right? So first introduction, right? Arjun is a interesting story, you know, and it has been written by Mahashweta Devi. If we talk about Mahashweta Devi, she was a Bengali writer, right? And we can say that India's greatest writers as well, right? And she wrote mainly about the lives of tribal communities, poor people, and oppressed groups, right? And the story highlights the exploitation of poor tribal people by powerful politicians and businessmen, right? And if we talk about the characters of this story, the main characters like Ketu Sabar, right? He is a poor tribal man, but he is honest and hardworking, right? And the another Mohini, she is Ketu's wife. Whose wife? Ketu's wife, right? She is hardworking and caring as well. Vishal Mahato, he is a powerful politician, you know, and selfish and greedy and arrogant man, right? And the another Ram Haldar, similar like we can say that Vishal Mahato, right? Owner of sawmill, you know sawmill जहाँ लकड़ी वगैरह काटा जाता है, right? आरा मिल, sawmill का owner होता है ये, right? And he exploits the poor tribal workers, right? And Diga, oh my God, how could I forget this man, right? Diga is a wise tribal man, we can say that. Diga, right? He suggests a clever plan to save the Arjun tree. You know, the story revolves around the tree. The name of the tree is Arjun, right? So the summary of the story we talk about, Ketu Sabar is a poor tribal who cuts trees because he has no other way to earn a living, right? Which people like Vishal Mahato and Ram Haldar use him for illegal work while they earn money. And Ketu goes to jail frequently. One day, Vishal orders Ketu to cut down the ancient Arjun tree, you know, and which is sacred to the tribal people. The tree is sacred to the tribal people. The tree reminds them their lost forests and is worshipped as a form of God. Ketu and his friends realize that if they do nothing, the tree will be destroyed. Diga comes up with a clever idea. He spreads the story that the Gram Devta, that means village god, appeared in his dream and ordered people to worship the Arjun tree. Right? Soon people from different tribes gathered around the tree, decorate it with flowers and begin worshipping it. Seeing the huge crowd and religious faith, Vishal Mahato and Ram Haldar cannot cut the tree, right? And their plan fails, and at last the Arjun tree is saved. So this is the story, right? Now I would like to ask some questions regarding this story, and the main purpose of this podcast, we can say that a small podcast, is to developing the listening skills developing the listening skills, right? And as well as the speaking ability, the speaking skills. So are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
So my professional guests, are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, sir.
Of course, I am. I make sure that, and I am confident that you will answer very well, right? So first, I would like to ask Mr. Vargav. Please answer, right? Tell what is the name of this story.
Arjun is the name of the story.
Arjun is the name of the story. Right answer, everybody, please. Okay. Now I would like to ask the second questions to Miss Aradhya. You tell who wrote this story.
This story is written by Ma Sweta Devi.
Very nice, everybody. Hello. Okay. Now, Vishal, you tell who is the main character of this story.
The main characters of this story is Vishal Mato, Diga, and Ketu Savar.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Okay, nice. And Shalvi, you will tell where does Ketu live?
Ketu live in Savar tribe of Purulia.
Oh my God, very nice answer. Okay, so now you tell Mr. Ankit what work does Ketu do?
Ketu cuts tree and
Okay,
he is poor and he was a hard-working person.
okay.
He was forced by the powerful person. So that's all.
Okay, nice, very nice. But I want a specific answer. Everybody, hello. Means not. So now, Miss Zoya, you would answer who is Mohini.
Mohini is Ketu's wife.
Very nice. Mohini is Ketu's wife. Thank you for answering. Right now, come to the questions from the opinion questions. We can say that. Come to the questions like opinion questions. Right. In this questions, you have to give your opinions. Right. One by one, I will ask questions and you will answer. Right. So, Mr. Bhargav, you answer first. Why does Ketu often go to jail?
Ketu often go in and out of jail because he cuts down Sadhiri
Okay.
for, forced by Vishal Mato and Ramhanga.
Very nice, everybody. Okay, nice. So now, Mr. Vishal, you answer. Vishal, tell me, if you were Ketu, what would you do?
If I were Ketu, I will just say Vishal Mato and Ram Halda that I will not cut the tree because it's illegal.
Oh my God, yeah,
because
very
they are
nice.
forcing them to cut the tree for their personal use.
Oh.
And if I were Ketu, then I will disobey that because it is not my personal rights, right? There will be some kinds of rights that Ketu have
Okay.
because he's a tribals.
Okay, all right, everybody. Nice answer. So now, Ankit, the same question. Tell me, if you were Ketu, what would you do?
I would try to in this story that he cuts tree,
Who cuts tree?
Arjun tree.
Okay, Arjun. He. Who? Here you is he. For
Ketu
whom?
cuts trees.
Okay, Ketu. Okay, nice.
And he was poor and needs money. So that's he follow
That's
the
why he cuts the tree.
follow
right?
the powerful person to cut down tree.
But I ask, if you were Ketu, what would you do? यदि आप केतु
I
होते
would
तो
try
क्या
to
करते?
unite the villagers
Okay.
and silently fight with each others.
Silently fight with each other. Oh my God, Ankit,
In just words.
in just words. That means I think you want to encourage the people, right? Oh my God. Okay, nice, but okay. So now, rather you'll tell. If you were Ketu, what would you do?
If I were Ketu, I would exactly what he did, fighting with peoples
Mhm.
of tribal that with directly violence
Mhm.
and or law, that is difficult for poor people. So I use unity or community with unity, and it is encouraged, and I am encouraged peoples to fight with Vishal Mahato and
Mhm.
Ram Haldar to protect our nature. And
Okay.
he proved that he loves community and love nature.
Very nice, everybody. Nice answer. Absolutely. She's right. Now, shall we? You tell. If you were Ketu, what would you do?
If I was K2, then I'd do the same work that K2 do. And what a person can do in such a predicament. He need money badly, and he was poor. He was threatened and also forced by Ram Haldar and Vishal Mato. So what a person can do in such a critical situation.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Nice answer. I expect that. I want that, and I like that. Right now, Joya, you will tell the same question. If you were Ketu, what would you do?
If I were Ketu, I will unite the poor tribal and fighting with them because they exploit poor tribals, cutting down trees, and also escape punishments.
A very nice answer. Right? The question is only one, but answers are different. Everybody, hello. So now the last questions to everybody. Tell me. And similarly, I want as well that you would answer different, right? First, tell what is the main message of the story?
Unity of the people is the main message of story that can be destroy someone's dirty mind
Okay.
and greedy personality.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, nice. The same question. What is the main message of this story?
The main message of the story is that wisdom is a more powerful than strength.
Oh my god.
Like Diga
Very nice.
uses wisdom to destroy Vishal Mahato's plans.
Mhm.
He just destroyed by thinking of that dream, by telling the villagers a dream, that he saw a dream that in which the Gram Devta comes and tells them to save the Arjun trees. That's the
Oh.
wisdoms. If you use wisdoms, then you can be a best man, the best thing of your life.
Very nice, everybody. Nice line. Right. Thank you. So, the same question, Mr. Ankit. Tell me, what is the main message of this story?
The main message of the story is unity, courage, faith, and loving from nature.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Okay, now you tell. What is the main message of this story? What is the main message of this story?
The main message of this story is unity, strength, and to protect our nature. We should protect nature because it gives us too many various things, and to helpful our tribal people that can message from Arjun chapters.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Hello. Now, shall we you tell? What is the main message of this story?
The main message of the story is that do not cut down someone's tree that is very precious for him or her, and without seeing her emotions and the relationship that you can never understand with the owner of the tree who planted the tree. And whenever you are in false case, then do not hide it and discuss it with your friends, families,
very
members.
nice. It's a good idea. Very nice answer, everybody. Hello. So now, Miss Zoya, you will tell. What is the main message of this story?
The main message of the story is how powerful politicians can exploit poor tribals and cutting down trees illegally and escaping punishments.
Very nice, everybody. Please clap for everybody. Hello. Please clap for them. Nice answer. By the way, thank you for joining. Now, thank you for joining us, everybody. Right, this is the second round. We can say that. Right. So the same question I would like to ask to all of you, and I want the different answers from you all. Like, are you ready?
Yes.
So take this and tell that which character do you like the most and why?
I like Diga most
Diga. Why do you like Diga?
because Diga was wisdom, courage, and he understand the importance of protecting trees.
Oh my God! Very nice, everybody. Now, you tell which character do you like the most and why? The same question.
I like Ketu the most.
Ketu. Why?
because he loved nature and later he tried to protect the scared Arjun tree.
Very nice, everybody. Now, Ashutosh, you tell. Which character do you like the most and why?
I like Ketu very much because he has strength with community and he also don't want to cut the Arjun tree.
Okay, very nice, everybody. So, the same question, right? Which character do you like the most?
The character that I like most is Diga. I like his bravery and his determination because he was not rich or the powerful people, but he would still try his best to save the Arjun tree.
Oh, very nice answer, everybody. Now, Preeti, you answer the same question. Which character do you like the most and why?
I like the K2 most because he was brave, honest, and protecting nature.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Now, Mona, you tell which character do you like the most?
I like the character Ketu most because he was brave, honest, and how he stand up against injustice and protect his nature and his community.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Nice answer. Now, okay, Arab, you tell what is the what is your favorite part of this story?
The favorite part of this story is when the tribals people unite
my God.
and unite against justice and protect the Arjun's tree.
Oh my God, very nice, very nice. Now you tell, what is your favorite part of the story?
The favorite part of the story is when the Arjun tree is saved by the tribals people.
Very nice, everybody. Okay, now Ashutosh, you tell, what is your favorite part of this story?
My favorite part of this story is when the tribal people unite him or herself and make the dhol, dhamas, nagara and save the Arjun tree.
Very nice, everybody. Okay, so you tell, what is your favorite part of this story?
According to me, the favorite part of the story is when the tribal people unite to save the Arjun tree. I really love that moment because it shows how unity wins on the powerful people.
Very nice, everybody. The same question.
My favorite part of the story my favorite part of the story the K2 when the save the Arjun tree with clever thinking.
Very nice, everybody. Now, Mona, tell me which is your favorite part of this story?
My favorite part of the story is when Ketu and all other villagers save the Arjun tree with unity among them all.
Very nice, very nice. I like all answers. Right. Now, the last questions of the day, right? And tell me, did you enjoy this story?
Yes, I enjoyed this.
Why?
Because this story is inspiring, interesting. Because in this story, some tribals peoples are united to save the Arjun's tree.
Okay.
And in this story, bad leader.
Oh my God.
That's name is Vishal Mathur.
Oh my God. Very nice, nice. Now, you tell. Did you enjoy this story?
Yes, sir. I enjoy this story.
Why?
Because it is inspiring and it teaches an important lesson about unity and not cutting trees and
Okay.
always save to nature.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, now, Ashutosh, you tell. Did you enjoy this story? Why?
I enjoy this story because this story is interesting, inspirational, and tell us about how to unite and unity is the power and save save our nature. Save our nature.
Okay, very nice, nice. Now, Preeti, sorry, Iksha, you tell. Okay, did you enjoy the story and why?
Yes, I enjoy this story because this story is very inspirational and teaches us many important lessons about how unity gives us strength.
Okay.
How and we should always save the nature.
Very
And
nice.
we should always stand against what is right.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, now Preeti, you tell. Did you enjoy this story and why?
Yes, it is so. Yes, yes, it was very interesting story and tells an important lesson.
Oh, very nice, Mona. You tell the same question, right?
Yes, I really enjoyed this story. It is really an interesting story. It is inspiring and teaches us an important lesson that we should protect trees and stand up against injustice and what is not right.
Oh, very nice, very nice. By the way, thank you for joining. Now go and take your seats. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining today. And we can see that I would like to answer the same questions. I would like to ask the same questions. And I expect from you the same answers, right? That two, this is the second, this is the third round, huh? Right? This is the third round, right? So now this is the third round, and I would like to ask the first questions to Mr. Avinav, right? Avinav, you tell which character do you dislike? Dislike. Which character do you dislike? Dislike मतलब नफरत नहीं पसंद करते हो. And why?
I like all characters.
You like all characters. Nobody.
Never.
Oh my God! According he doesn't dislike anybody. He likes everyone. Everyone.
Yes.
Which character do you like most?
I like character Ketu
Ketu.
because
Why?
because he was against to cut down the tree and protect the Arjun.
Tell me, why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
Arjun tree is special to the tribal people because tribal people worship the tree, tree and respected the tree.
Oh, very nice. Everybody, hello. चलो अभिनव से तो अभिषेक अच्छा. Now the same question. Tell, why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
The Arjun tree is special to the tribal people because they worship the Arjun tree and they were and these are the special to all the tribals and they take care of the tree. And,
Okay, nice, very nice. Now Ankit, you tell. Why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
Arjun tree special to the tribal people because he gets food.
Gets food. Oh my God.
Gave food.
Gives food. Food or fruits?
Yes.
Fruits. First tell me, have you prepared or not?
Yes.
Then how could you answer like that? Give it to me. Tell me, why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
The Arjun tree is special for the tribal people because they are their Gram Devta.
Ram Devta. Oh my God, that means we can say that the tree is a form of Ram Devta, right? Oh, very nice. Now, Aditi, you answer. Why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
The Arjun tree is special for tribal people because it is the heart of their culture and a place where he worshipped and celebrated festivals.
Oh, very nice. Absolutely, it is. Right? Very nice. Hello, everybody. Now, the same question, Ms. Sonakshi, you tell. Why was the Arjun tree special to the tribal people?
Arjun tree is special for the tribal people because because all tribals say that it is God for them.
Oh my God, very nice answer. Right, I like that. So, now the second one. Tell me, was Vishal Mahato a good leader, and why or why not?
Not Vishal Mahato is not good leader because he cut the scared Arjun tree for money.
That's why he was not good, right?
Yes.
Good, not. He was not a good leader. Now you answer. Was Vishal Mahato a good leader?
No, Vishal Mahato is not a good leader because because he refuses to cut down the Arjun.
He refuses. Vishal Mahato, man.
Oh, Vishal Mahato. He would ask to Ketu to cut down the tree and.
Was Vishal Mahato a good leader, and why?
No, Vishal Mahto is not a good leader because he wanted money.
He wanted money only, right?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So, now you tell. Was Vishal Mahto a good leader?
No, Vishal Mahto was not a good leader because he wanted to cut the Arjun tree and he was greedy.
Very nice. Now Aditi, you tell. Was Vishal Mahto a good leader?
No, Vishal Mahto is not a good leader because he was corrupt and he wants to destroy the tribals' heritage.
Very nice, very nice. Now, Sonakshi, you tell. Was Vishal Mahto a good leader?
No, sir. Vishal Mahto is not a good leader because he cut all the tree for its own profit.
Very nice, everybody. So, now the last question of this story. Tell Mr. Abhishek, what can we learn from Diga?
We learn from Diga because he was brave, protecting, save nature, and we learn from Diga he was brave and protecting nature.
Oh, very nice. So now you tell, what can we learn from Diga?
We can learn from Diga that he was brave and he shows courage and he was to protect nature and don't want to cut the Arjun tree.
Very nice. Now you answer, Ankit. What can we learn from Diga?
We learn from this story is brave, protective nature, and stand for justice.
Very nice. Stands for others, right? Okay. So you tell. What can we learn from Diga?
We can learn from Diga that he was brave and don't want to cut any tree, and he loved nature.
Oh, very nice. Now Aditi, you tell. What can we learn from Diga?
From Diga, we can learn that friendship and unity and how standing together.
Very nice. Sonakshi, you tell. What can we learn from Diga?
We can learn from Diga that is how he stand for every tribal people for to give justice.
Oh, very nice, everybody. Please clap for everyone. Hello. This is the fourth round, right? And Anubhav Sabha, tell me. Tell me, why should we protect trees? कह रहा आसान वाला पूछिए ना आसान वाला. Now tell me, why should we protect trees? Like this.
We should protect trees for
Good.
for oxygen
Okay. Very good.
and nature. Protect nature.
Okay. Very nice. डरना नहीं है, right? Why should we protect trees?
We should protect trees because trees give you oxygen and the village peoples
Worship it
and the trees is very old.
We protect tree. Tree gives oxygen, shelters. We all
very nice.
worship tree.
Very absolutely, it is. So now Anam, you tell. Why should we protect trees?
We should protect tree for greenery and oxygen.
Very nice. Now you tell. Why should we protect trees?
We should protect trees because it gives oxygen and nature.
You tell. Different answer, right? I want different answer. Why should we protect trees?
We should protect tree because it give us oxygen and give us shelter, and it is the emotion of the tribal people.
Very nice, but I think that everybody answered the same, right? I want different. Now the second question. Tell me, what is the name of the story?
The name of the story is Arjun.
And what is Arjun here?
Arjun is a tree.
Arjun is a tree. Tell me the characters of this story.
The characters of this story is Ketu, Vishal Mahto, Diga,
Mohini. Okay, nice. Now you answer. Okay, tell me. Have you ever planted a tree? क्या कभी आपने पेड़ लगाया है?
Yes, I am planted a tree.
You have planted a tree, right?
Yes.
Why?
because it gives oxygen and
It gives oxygen.
protect from the sunlight and give fruits.
Okay, nice. Now, give to him. Okay, tell me. You tell. What lesson will you remember from this story? तुम क्या याद रखोगे इस स्टोरी से?
We don't cut the precious tree.
What lesson do you like to study from this story?
Unity of the people.
Unity of the people. Just only one thing. Okay. The main message of the story.
There is a many message in this story, but there is the main message is unity and improvement in the local government.
Very nice, everybody. Please clap everybody for them. Now take your seats, everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, man. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.